Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used vehicle. Let's take a look at this stunning Land Rover new Range Rover. This vehicle features a D350 MHEV diesel engine along with an automatic gearbox. This Range Rover is finished in Santorini Black and also features this rear privacy glass. This Range Rover sits on upgraded 23-inch 10 split spoke gloss black alloys. At the front of the vehicle we have these pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. And at the rear of the vehicle we also have these LED tail lamps. Because these tail lights are smoked, they also give an invisible appearance when switched off. This vehicle also features keyless entry and auto dimming power fold heated door mirrors with approach lights. Now heading into the rear of the vehicle we are greeted with our electric power folding tailgate and a large amount of luggage capacity. You could quite easily fit a set of suitcases, a set of golf clubs, or maybe even your weekly shop. We also have a power outlet there and also the ability to fold down our rear seats for extra luggage capacity. On that control panel we also have the ability to raise and lower the vehicle to aid with loading. Heading into the rear executive seating in the back of this Range Rover, we have a centre console display to control the seating, the climate, the blinds and any ambient lighting. We have our own access to climate controls in the back of this vehicle along with heated and cooled seats and charging ports available to charge all your important devices on the go. The seats are composed of this perforated ebony leather interior and our centre console folds away to make a third seat. We also have ISOFIX points available. These seats are also electronically adjustable and reclining and also feature a memory function allowing passengers to resume the perfect travelling position. The rear seating also feature these electric rear side window sunblinds. Now moving on to the front of this Range Rover, we are instantly greeted with our soft grain heated leather steering wheel, along with our colour touchscreen display, and 24-way heated and cooled massage front seats, composed of this perforated ebony leather. These are electronically adjustable and also have a memory function, allowing the driver to resume the perfect driving position. On the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls and on the right we have our lane keeping aid and cruise control. This vehicle has done 3,341 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On our speedometer we have multiple driver displays to choose from, including navigation, media, trip summary, 4x4 information, and driver assistance, allowing the driver to keep all eyes on the road at all times. This vehicle also features a head-up display. Now let's take a look at our colour touchscreen display. We have access to DAB radio and Bluetooth telephone functionality, along with satellite navigation, allowing the driver to easily navigate to their destination. We also have access to our seat controls where we can adjust things like our heated and cooled seats in both the front and rear of the vehicle. We also have the ability to change the massaging effect with a multitude of options to pick from. We can also adjust like the headrest, the shoulders, the lumbar support and also the rear executive seating. This vehicle is also equipped with a 3D surround camera, allowing the driver to fit into those tight parking situations. We also have an off-road mode, giving the driver the ability to see both rear axles. This vehicle is equipped with a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe, and easily accessible vehicle dimensions. If we take a look at weight sensing, we have a multitude of off-roading options, including 4x4 information, tips and tricks when using the terrain response, and also our adjustable ride height. This Range Rover is also equipped with dynamic ambient lighting, allowing the passengers and driver to pick from an array of colours to set the mood within the cabin. This vehicle is also equipped with a park assist system, allowing the vehicle to take control and park itself for you. Now taking a look at our 3-zone climate controls, as you can see they're easily adjustable and easily accessible for both the driver and passenger. We also have access to our heated and cooled seats here, allowing for both the driver and passenger to travel at the perfect temperature. At a click of a button we can access our terrain response, allowing the vehicle to handle all terrains. This Range Rover is equipped with a Meridian signature sound system, allowing for perfectly crisp audio. This Range Rover also features this large sliding panoramic roof, allowing for plenty of daylight for the front and rear passengers. Being a sliding panoramic roof, it also has the ability to open, allowing for plenty of fresh air into the cabin. This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online now.